wagojee miaka 10 Uhuru amalize kazi yake, alafu wagojee miaka ingine 10 Ruto amalize kazi yake.
Miario ino ya President Uhuru Kenyatta hindi ya kampeni cia githurano kia mwaka muhituku hihi niyo yaheire ya Kenya aingĩ mwĩhoko atĩ munini wa President William Ruto niwe ukarirukia federa ya kiama kia Jubilee mwaka wa 2022.
Sisi hatuna MOU na mtu ati lazima tutasupport 2022.
No mugambo uyu wa David Murathe uria niwe munini wa muikariri gite wa kiama kia Jubilee ni wekirite nganja na kuhaguka kwa ngwataniro thiini wa kiama kiu na oho gutumura ndereti hiyo ya kana kwari na mierio ya gukanengera Ruto federa ya Jubilee. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Raphael Tuju akiuga federa iyo ndikaneanwo o uguo.
The constitution says that, and I think even President Uhuru, it was not automatic that he was going to be the party candidate as by the time we were going for elections. So we had to have a national delegates conference that endorsed President Uhuru to be the candidate.
No ona kuri o uguo Tuju ne ugite kiama gitiri kira ikarathi kwanirira ati Ruto ndakarirukia federa iyo na koguo miario ya atongoria a Jubilee igie ndereti ya githurano ni mugambo wa kiumbe.
How we appoint our candidate for a presidential candidacy. There is a way that is in the party constitution. Is a party constitution which is deposited with the register of political parties, and as far as I'm concerned, nothing has changed. At the party level, we have not had that conversation, had a meeting in which this has been discussed, because at this particular moment in time we just came from an election in 2017.
Ona gutuika atongoria a kiama ni maretia githurano kia naihenya niguo kunina ngucanio na miario itari mithugunde. Tuju arauga ati ti hahuthu uguo kwambika githurano gia kiama kiu, kuona ati kiama kia Jubilee kina nginyagia mwaka wa 2020 gwika githurano kieru.
No nyende Jubilee twike ithurano na muno makiria ti undu wondu ungi ni kuruta andu ta Murathe, tondu riria gutwikire mundu ari o haria wona kanya ni kuruma atongoria Jubilee. Weka ore wanasa ni kuwathurirwo kiama kiu ugitwika vice chair.
Kama kutakuwa na uchaguzi ya chama, we support it fully. Kwa sababu we want anybody who talks on behalf of Jubilee Party should have authority. Na tunaanzia mashinani hapa.
We have until 2020, but we have to do it. So it's not about pressure.
Jatokano kiama-ini kia Jubilee yambĩrĩirie rĩrĩa President Uhuru Kenyatta na mũtongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga mahĩmbĩirie ngeithi cia thayũ, kuria gikundi kimwe kia atongoria a Jubilee monire ikinya rĩu tarĩ rĩa gũtharĩria gĩtama kia Ruto gĩa kũingĩra thingira-inĩ wa iregi mwaka wa 2022.
10 years Uhuru akimaliza 2022 to 2032 ni kijana wa hapa nyumbani Dr. William Samoei Ruto ndio atakuwa rais. Ndio maana tunasemanga #zoea rais wako mapema.
Nginyagia rĩu President Uhuru Kenyatta ni anyũrũrĩtie mĩario o yothe ĩngĩrongorera ũteti wa gĩthurano, akiuga mũbango wake kwa ihinda rĩrĩ nĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ Akenya othe nĩ marutirwo wĩra na ngoro ĩmwe. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kiama Kariuki.